Got a messy list of participants with multiple names in one cell? And need to find someone's city or organization or both? Let me show you a clean way to search for a name and pull their details, even from jumbled up cells. I've got a list here where each row contains multiple participant names, plus their city and organization. I want to look up a name, let's say Hadis Alamayehu, who was an Ethiopian author, and find out where he is from and who he represents. I will start with the filter function, which lets us pull data from a range based on a condition. Then, the range will be from B2 to C12. And we will use the ISNUMBER to check if a number comes back from the next part. The search function looks for Hadis Alamayehu inside each participant cell. Insert the range where to search that name, and finally I'll close everything off. Here you have it. Excel gives us the city and organization of the row that contains Hadis Alamayehu, even if his name is buried in a list. Super useful for messy event data, surveys, or attendance lists. If this helped, subscribe and stay tuned for more powerful Excel tips. This is part 16 of our 500+ Excel tips in the playlist. Thanks for watching.